I'm Denise. I live near Bath in the West Country. I'm 53. And I went for the pink so that my husband won't be tempted to steal it. He's not that keen on the pink. And I can match it in with all my accessories, so I'm very happy about that. I'm into colour coordination in a big way. I've just done my bathroom pink, actually. I liked the idea of the folding bikes, but I didn't really want one that was with the little silly wheels. And it looked like a big person on a bike with tiny wheels, but these are a nice size. I even went up to see one, drove all the way to Swindon, which is quite a distance, to go and find one in a shop just to make sure it would fit in my car. And it did. And going up the hills, before I couldn't get up the hill on our little cycle loop that we do. And now I overtake my husband when he's struggling, and I wave. Yeah, on a weekend, if it's nice weather, we like to cycle. It's a loop. Not sure how many miles it is, but if it's a nice day, there's a stop to a pub on the way, and then a massive hill after the pub, which I didn't used to be able to get up, but now I can. I'm trying to get fit, you see, because I'm trying to lose weight and just get fit, because I've got out of it. And I just literally put it on when I get towards a hill, and then turn it off again when I get to the top. Get puffed out still. The bike's not cycling for you. You've still got to use your legs. It just gives you this little bit of assistance, which just helps you get up. Before I would get off, and then I'd be fed up because it's a long hill, and then my husband's fed up because he's waiting for me at the top. Now it's just a pleasure. Just love it. And I actually sold my mountain bike because I decided I'm never going to use it. Bad, isn't it? Because I always sell their real cyclists, like I'm not. Our motorhome has a little garage in the back, and literally I just fold it up, plonk it in with the other things, and it just sits there nicely. And I've also got a little carry bag to put it in if the bike was messy. The thing I like about the bike the most is it fits in the shed really easy. If I decide I want to just pop down the shop, I could just take the bike, take my lock, my bag and my basket, and it's so quick. Straight down the hill, get shopping, put it back in my basket, back home again, and I've got a little bit of exercise, saved a bit of money on my fuel, and gets, fresh air. It's all a pleasure, really. I love it. Yeah, I've got everything I need. It makes me really happy to have this bike. Every time I go out on it, I feel like I'm getting fit, and it's just a real pleasure because you're not puffed out or hot. And yeah, I really like it. Oh, I've got a friend.